Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. You would have every kind of pleasure that you could conceive. But now let's have a surprise. Let's have a dream which isn't under control. And finally, you would dream where you are now. You would dream the dream of living the life that you are actually living today. That would be within the infinite multiplicity of choices you would have, playing that you weren't God. Because the whole nature of the Godhead, according to this idea, is to play that he's not. That's the nature of life. Only you're pretending you're not.